Hey everyone, today I will show you how to replace the light main high beam light bulb, and also it's already like it's bulb, my current bulb is burnt out, so I need to replace that one. And also I will show you how to change the fog light lamp as well. I previously installed one fog lamp. It's LED one, but it has some voltage issue, so it shows me it works, but it shows me that the lights are burnt out. But it works, but it bugs me, so that's why I just ordered the white light regular halogen bulbs, H11 model. So that will, I'm pretty sure, will work for as a white light for the bulbs. So I'm gonna turn on the car right now. You will see the message is gonna pop up on the screen about the lights. It shows the front left fog light is burned, and also it shows left dip headlight is burned as well. So, and front right fog light, both the fog lights, they work, but it shows on the screen that they are burned. So I'm gonna manually turn on the lights. As you can see that it's not that bright, but this is the fog lights. It's not working very well, so we'll see. Okay, so right now you can see that only the right hand side passenger side light is working, not the driver's side for the main headlight. So we're going to replace that one. I will show you how you do it and which bulbs I'm using it. Right guys, so over here we got a replacement bulb for the main headlight for the Audi Q7. It's Philips D3S C1. It's made in Germany. I bought it from Amazon. I will share the link on the video as well. And these are the headlight bulbs, replacement bulbs for the fog lamps. Not headlight, sorry, fog lamps replacement bulbs for Q7. So these are cost me around like 40 bucks, and these are cost me each $98. And I got a code from Audi dealership, and the one bulb from them is about $400 plus the charges for replacement. But it's very simple to replace it. I have seen so many videos like people are removing the battery connection terminals as well, and some people don't. In my case, like I'm just gonna remove the one connector over here, this guy. I'm gonna remove this guy, and oh, there's a clip over here. Okay, I'm just gonna try this and get back to you guys. Okay, so over here then we have to replace the headlight bulb over here. So we're going to take this point out. This is the support over here. So just press, this is the push button over here. Just press it and then pull this one out. I think it's gonna come out completely. Yep. And then over here you can see for the battery there is one point over here, like there is a yeah. So over here I'm gonna push this one to the back with that tool, and then I'm gonna move this plug away. So plug is disconnected, so it's all good to go. And after this, it's very simple. Like we need to just bring the camera over here. So there's a one push button over here. So we're gonna move this guy. Yeah, to release it, and then we're gonna wiggle the light to take it out. I need to take this cover out. So taking this cover out, so we're gonna pop out this connector, so pops away. And also like there's one over here as well. Just a little bit more power to. Okay. Out like this, and then we're gonna take this end out as well. So right now it's not a very good time to do replacement of the battery bulb because it's minus 20 degrees outside right now, but I have to do it. So I'm gonna use something else to take it out. There we go. That's not good, so we'll find it later. Okay, so there you go. That's how you remove this panel. Reason to remove this panel because we have to pull out the lights, that's why. Okay, so now we're gonna take this light out. It's very easy to take it out. I saw that some videos before. So like push, there's a button over here, just push it slightly, and also push the light from the inside. You can see the light is totally out. Just wiggle. Okay, so over here I just took out this bolt as well, so to give me a little bit of play over here to take it out, and it's stucking over here as well. So just wiggle it nicely and it will come out completely. So now we'll show you how to replace this one. Alright guys, so we have a light over here, whole headlight of the Audi Q7. It's pretty amazing. Like you can see at the bottom, they have the ballast too, and over here, this is the pop-up cover. That's like how the German design things is amazing. So now we're gonna replace the battery on it. So we're gonna move this box to open it. Comes out easily, and as you can see over here, the existing bulb of the headlight is this one, and we will see how the bulb look like we're gonna replace with this guy. So we'll see. There we go. So over here you guys are gonna see that there is a two, like we can unplug this guy first. Okay, that's a little bit pain. Alright, so remove this. And there is like 2 points over here you guys are able to see. One is over here and the other guy is over here. So we're gonna hold them and turn them anti-clockwise. Like this. And we have to make sure that we are not touching anything else than light bulb, because all these tips over here connections, they are like, if we bend them or damage them, it's gonna make a problem. So this is the burnt one, and I'm just gonna see, like, to me feels like there's something fluid in it. Oh no, it's just a color like that, probably because of it's pretty old. It's 2014 model, so we'll see. So do that, and now we're gonna replace light with a different bulb. Alright, so this is the new bulb we're gonna replace it with. It's over here. You can see the details of it. And this is the old one, the burnt one. So everything looks same to me. Yeah, all the numbers are the same. And only that middle 304 is different. The previous one, the old light, has 301 in it, and this one is 304. But that's the best I can find on the Amazon for a cheap price. So we'll see how it looks. And this is the yellow light too, and this is the white light. This is 6,000 Kelvin, and that one is the previous one. I took it out. It's 4,300 Kelvin. So whenever we never touch the surface of the lens of the headlight. It's not recommended. So we just try to carefully push it back. Yeah, it's back, snapped in. And same that stuff to turn clockwise to lock it. Alright, so after that, connect this connection over here. Alright, so it's all set. Oh, we have to put this cover back. And put this back. So now the light is is ready to go back to the vehicle. So alright guys, so we're gonna just try to put this one back. Just easy, let's try to wiggle. We're not gonna force it. It's gonna go on its own. There you go. There you go. Amazing. That's pretty much it. And you can see that. Just lock this. So I think I broke this one. So we'll see how it goes without it. So put it back. Yeah. So light is in, and we're gonna put this back. So take a closer look. There you go. Snapped in. Connect the connections. There you go. And this is the bolt. I took it out. I don't know if it really helped me or not, but I took it out. That's it. It's pretty easy to install. Okay, it works out perfect. So this is the 6,000 Kelvin, and this is 4,300 Kelvin. So I'm going to replace this one as well. So it's pretty much same thing like how you replace that one. So I'm going to replace this guy as well. I hope you guys like the video. If you have any questions and concerns, just leave in the comments. I will get back to you.